Hello, it's Tom Huang again, licensed acupuncturist. A lot of friends and my neighbor talk about, they've been research in the internet. A lot of people talking about tongue diagnosis. And they got an idea, but they got a question. All right, I have a spleen deficiency. How am I going to deal with them? But nobody. So far, I follow them, I check them. Nobody tell you how to deal with spleen deficiency. So therefore, today we have two topics. One, how I will become a spleen deficiency. I wasn't born with that way. Okay. Then why I'm gonna end up like a spleen deficiency. Okay, that's one. Two, when I have a deficiency, how do I deal with them? Nobody talking about that. They're talking about acupunctures, herbs, a whole bunch of stuff. But that is not for people, regular people. We don't know. And especially they're talking about a lot of traditional Chinese terms, which is most people don't understand. Okay, let me back to question one. Why I wasn't born with a deficiency? For sure, otherwise I won't grow up so big. Okay, so it's because I do something or something happened to me. That's why I become a spleen deficiency. So generally speaking, okay, maybe from fasting, because people like beauty, so I had to diet. Because my religion talked about to diet, whatever reason, I have to fasting. Okay, it's good for maybe 1 month or few weeks or even few days. Then that we rebound again. So fasting. Number two is for food intaking. Okay, I don't eat regularly. Okay, I maybe I skip in the breakfast or I irregular eating. Okay, so that will cause my spleen deficiency. Think about it. If you go to work, your boss is not expecting you when you will be show off. Today you might don't go to the work, or you may go to the work. Your boss is not happy with it. So irregular food taking will cause your spleen deficiency. Alcohol will cause your spleen deficiency. Drug will cause your spleen deficiency. Drug including the medication, okay, pharmaceutical, the medicine, that will also damage your spleen. And hot spicy food, okay, and coffee, soft drink, you drink too much, that will cause your spleen deficiency. All of these will cause your spleen deficiency. So, okay, also like worry, a lot of worry, and cannot sleep, worry about this, worry about that. That will cause your spleen deficiency. Okay, so we know that more than that. That's I just named few of them. So when we have a spleen deficiency, in the last previous video, if you guys interested, go back to look at yourself. Take a look at your own tongue. You know you have a spleen deficiency. Okay, now of course there was spleen yin, spleen yang, spleen qi, spleen blood, whatever. Okay, now second solution. How do I deal with it when I have a spleen deficiency? Very easy. Reset it. Okay. Like our computer is confused. It's not taking my order. I send it to the engineer. They give me a reset, just like a brand new. My car is not function normally. I go to the mechanic. They help me to change the parts, adjustment, whatever. But talking about a human body, how do I reset my human body? Very simple. Remember from last video, I'm talking about a spleen. It's not only organs. When we're talking about a spleen, there's so many organs involved. Last time I'm talking about your pancreas, your insulin, your bile duct, your duodenal, your small intestine, and your spleen itself. So there's a mechanism and chemistry, the working in two ways. So we don't know. It's from check our tongue, we know it's a deficiency, but we don't know which one doesn't work. Okay, therefore we have to reset it. What do I mean by reset? Is we clean up the house. How can we clean up the house? You can do by yourself as well. But today I want to tell you this. Okay, this is called a nollie. You can do yourself. You can do whatever. Just clean up your spleen. Okay, and insides look like that. Okay, what it does is they will. Okay, so this is called a nollie tea, and they can make your intestinal or your spleen clean up all the dampness, all the junk. So when you drink these, you will feel like increase your bowel movement. Okay, all the greasy, sticky stuff will come out. Okay, you don't have to take my words for it. You can go internet, you check yourself. You're gonna find out it's miracle fruits. Okay, and if you interested in that, I can send you for free sample or whatever. Okay, you can try that for 2 or 3 days, see what happens. Especially for like a meat eater, eat a lot of meat stuff. They stuck a lot of stuff inside their intestine, so that's bad. No wonder they cannot function well. Okay, so taking care of your spleen make your health. Okay, if you're interested in that, you can send me an email or response. We talk about some more. Okay, thank you very much.